Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up, configure, and manage your Exaforce on-prem collectors via Exaforce Fleet Management. Exaforce on-prem collectors are binary software that you can install on Linux, macOS, or Windows machines to forward logs from your on-prem servers. These could be syslog messages, JSON, or other files. But this is an easy way for you to be able to send data into your Exaforce platform and then use that data for your detections, investigations, querying, and such. Now, the name for the Exaforce on-prem collector is Exabot Edgedata. So throughout this video, I may switch between these two names, but just so you know, the name of the service itself is Exabot Edgedata, but what it is a log collector for your on-prem machines. Exaforce Fleet Management is an easy way to manage all your collectors from within the console. You can manage their versions, you can upgrade them from console, you can have multiple configuration checks for each of the collectors, and you can also group them through Exaforce Fleet Groups. Now, step one in configuring your Exaforce collector is adding custom data source. So go to data sources and click on add data source. Here, give your collector a name and authentication type, and then also how you will be listening on this collector. So the URL is going to be an important part of your collector. Save this URL for your next step. Step 2, configuration. Under Fleet, go to configuration. Here, you can do your version management. You can have multiple configurations. You can choose which configuration to deploy for a fleet group or for collectors, and then write your configuration. Here, you will define your source. In our case, it's Fortinet Firewall. That's what we're going to use in our example. The data source to ship. In this case, we're going to listen on UDP. The actions that you want to track. So in this case, let's track all deny actions, port to listen on, and data source URL from your step 1. Step 3, go to Fleet Group and click on which configuration and what version you want to apply to this particular collectors. Step 4 is registering the collector. So go to Registration Token tab and click on Create Token. We're going to place this token in your environment variable for your edge data on the machine. After that, you can check the status of the edge data service. It may take a couple seconds to boot up, but when you do a systemctl status on your edge data service, you will see that the collector is registered and ready to go. That's it. 4 simple steps to install your configuration, install your on-prem collector, and start using it. Now let's test it. We're going to do a database query for deny actions. But in our terminal, we're going to send a couple of actions on our syslog and see the syslog messages. And then go to Exaforce database query and look for the recent events. Here you can see that the syslog messages are instantly available for your visibility. Exactly how you configured it within the configuration for this log collector. You can use, with this being added, you can also imagine all the other features within Exaforce to work as well. Upgrading is also easy. Whenever there's new version of collectors available, new software upgrades, then you can just look at them in the packages section and upgrade them directly from the console without having to manage it separately on each of the machines that your collectors are installed in. This is how Exaforce makes your on-prem collectors easy to install, easy to configure, easy to upgrade, all from a single place. Check it out yourself.